Hi guys, so if you guys came from my last video, you guys know that this company, Pretty Neat Creatives, sent me a diamond painting. I do want to say right off the bat that this packaging is amazing, and it has that quote on the front that I really admire. I have not heard of this company until they messaged me, and I am so grateful that they did because I am in love with the quality of this so far, and I haven't even seen the diamond painting yet. It obviously came with a thank you card. I also do want to say that the box that it came in was taped up very well, and I did sanitize my hands and everything, so don't worry. This was the toolkit. The bag was actually really good quality. It reminds me of Diamond Art Club's bag quality. So it came with all the necessities and of course a 4-placer, my favorite, and a purple grippy. The next video will be the painting. Bye guys! This is part 3 of unboxing the Pretty Neat Creative diamond painting that they have sent me. I just want to say that this diamond painting material on the felt is super soft. As soon as I opened it, my mouth dropped of how beautiful the colors were on the canvas. This diamond painting is a 40 by 50 centimeter size, and I immediately noticed that it was square drill, which is my favorite. Of course, it has the info and socials of the website and the inventory charts on both sides of the diamond painting, which I love. I would also like to mention that it has a very pretty design on the border of the diamond painting. The canvas is beautifully clear, and it also came with an inventory sheet and the drills in baggies, which is also my favorite. These colors are so bright and so colorful, and I fell immediately in love with them. Overall, I'm extremely excited to start this diamond painting, and use code all caps diamond10 to get 10% off your order. Bye guys!